In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card with Bitcoin. First, open a reputable gift card website that accepts Bitcoin. Look for clear trust signals like a secure connection and transparent policies, and make sure the site supports your country and the brand you want. Many platforms list delivery methods and fees up front. Take a moment to glance at those so there are no surprises later. Next, pick the gift card brand you want. Choose a brand that works in your region and confirm whether the card is for online use, in-store use, or both. If the site offers different versions of the same brand, select the one that matches how you plan to spend it. Now select the gift card amount. You'll usually see preset denominations and sometimes a custom amount option. Keep in mind that service fees and Bitcoin network fees are separate. Make sure your wallet has enough Bitcoin to cover the exact total and check whether the website locks the exchange rate for a set time during checkout. Add the gift card to your cart and review the details carefully. Confirm the brand, the amount, the quantity, and the total cost. If a promo code field appears, this is the right moment to apply it. When everything looks right, proceed to checkout. At checkout, choose Bitcoin as your payment method. Some sites might also show other crypto options, but stick with Bitcoin as specified. You'll usually see an invoice with a countdown timer and the amount due. You'll be given a Bitcoin address and often a QR code. Either copy the address using the copy button or scan the QR code with your wallet app. Avoid typing the address by hand. It's easy to make a mistake. If there's a timer, be sure to complete the payment before it expires so the price and address remain valid. From your wallet, send the exact Bitcoin amount shown on the invoice. Double-check the address, the amount, and the network. Enter the amount precisely, including all decimals, and select a network fee that suits how quickly you want the transaction to confirm. When you're confident everything matches, hit send. Now wait for payment confirmation. The site may update automatically as soon as the transaction is detected. Then mark it complete after the required number of confirmations. This can take a few minutes depending on network conditions. Once confirmed, you'll receive the gift card code either on the screen or by email. Save the code securely, keep a copy of your receipt, and consider checking the balance right away so you're ready to redeem it whenever you need.